all the scuds. All right, so we saw the trans go in. So Xander's been dealing with getting all the shift linkage and shift rods lined up and in, and the actual shifter itself up here was bound up. So we had to pull it off and monkey with it and get it unbound. And then it got stuck in gear, which wasn't fun. But once we got that all situated and figured out and handled, we got everything lined up really nice. And everything bolted together, and it's all here. And that's all ready. So the fun part was, Xander broke his first bolt today. So I had to get it out, but that was easy. I showed him the way to get it out with a punch because it had just a little bit out. And yeah, got it out. No harm, no foul. Away we go. Next step's gonna be getting the clutch rod on the ball and in the fork and all that jazz. Get that done. We'll have that finished up. Parking brake cables, exhaust, and the bottom will be done. Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay! Also, starter's in, Joey. Bam! Bam! Starter's in. Alright, I gotta tighten up the motor mount nuts and all the hardware, but other than that, should be ready to stab a distributor pretty soon once the exhaust is in. Get that all done. Alright, looking good. Making progress. I think Joey says the car's gonna be for sale after it leaves here. So if anybody wants a pretty good 65, you know, you've seen all the videos, you've seen everything done with it here, so you know the pros and cons. But yeah, I'd say get in touch with Joey, and if you want one, here's one.